How did the Apollo Lunar Module land? Imagine standing on the edge of the moon, watching a tiny spacecraft slowly descend toward the surface. How did it manage to land safely in such a harsh environment? Let's find out. The Apollo Lunar Module, or LM, used a mix of computer guidance and astronaut skill to land. It had two main parts: the descent stage with the engine and landing gear, and the ascent stage with the crew cabin and controls. After separating from the command module in lunar orbit, the LM's descent engine fired briefly to lower its orbit. Then, it entered a powered descent that lasted about 12 minutes. During this time, the onboard computer managed the engine's thrust, adjusting speed and trajectory to guide the module toward the chosen landing site. As it approached about 2,000 feet above the surface, control was handed over to the commander. The commander manually piloted the LM, using its ability to hover and move sideways like a helicopter. This was necessary because the landing site was full of large rocks and craters. The commander used the module's translation controls to steer clear of hazards and find a safer spot. The descent engine kept firing to slow the module until it gently touched down. The landing gear absorbed the impact, making sure the lunar surface was not damaged. For Apollo 11, the lunar module touched down in the Sea of Tranquility, about 4 miles from the planned site. The entire landing process took roughly 12 minutes, including a quick manual maneuver to avoid a crater. Astronauts trained extensively for this, practicing both automated systems and manual flying. They learned to judge distances visually through the windows, which had marks to help estimate altitude. They also practiced controlling the engine's throttle and the module's attitude thrusters to stay stable and precise. This landing was a perfect mix of computer guidance and human skill, showing how astronauts had to be both pilots and systems managers. It was a complex dance that made lunar exploration possible and safe.